Hello, this is Danny at the DEG. I want to thank you in joining me for today's estimate tip. We recently had an inquiry 14869, and the concern was when replacing the door shell, mirror labor is included. Assuming that you're transferring the mirror from the damaged door shell to the new door shell, the R&I time for the mirror is 0.3. The R&R time for the mirror is 0.6. The labor to transfer the signal, lamp, the glass, the upper and lower covers should not be included in the door shell replacement. Allow additional time to be added to the individual parts instead of being included. So we submitted this to CCC, and you can see a response that CCC does not currently have the ability to only allow the difference between remove and replace and remove and install of the mirror. When replacing the door shell, the issue is documented with the CCC1 development team. The build out of the mirror beyond remove and install of the assembly when replacing the door shell is not included and would require a manual consideration. So when writing the estimate, this is how it will see. And you can see that replacing the door shell allows the 5.4 hours, and when replacing that door shell, that the R and I of the mirror, which is 0.3 hours, is included in that labor time. Now, when replacing additional parts that are not included with this mirror base, that it's still showing included. And this would be your manual consideration, the difference between the remove and install time and the remove and replace time. And you could see in the footnote, the remove and replace time of 0.6 includes to R&I or R&R, the mirror cover, lower cover, and mirror glass. Well, I hope this video helped you see the impact that this can be on your estimate. And if you have any questions or concerns, please visit us at www.degweb.org. You can submit an inquiry or email us directly. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.